Hey guys, welcome back to Crafty Cue. So this very pink table setting was very easy to create, and everything on this table was used from the Dollar Tree. So let's get started. The very first thing I used was my pink plastic tablecloth, and I tried to jazz it up a bit by adding all this other Dollar Tree items on the table. And the very first thing I added was this light pink paper plate with the hot pink circle plate on top, and then a pink cup on top of that. And then I have my white Dollar Tree rose petals, and I used about maybe a bag and a half just to kind of get a fuller look. I think it came out pretty nicely. You can add more or less if you like. My very first centerpiece is the Dollar Tree glass jar with the bling on top, and then I have the candle inside. Moving along, I have my next Dollar Tree jar. This is the taller, I believe it's the 9-inch jar with about 4 bundles of their flowers. I have my little glass jar, and I just took a rose petal off one of the bundles and just stuck in there. The middle centerpiece, which are different flowers from these. These are the darker pink, and then these are the lighter baby pink. I took a Dollar Tree jar, wrapped it in the bling, and then I attached the jar to a candle holder just to give it some added height. I didn't want everything to be the same height. And I used about 6 bundles of flowers in this one because I wanted to be more fuller than the rest of the jars. Then I have another glass jar of the rose in there. Same centerpiece as before. And that's here. And then lastly, I have, in the back, if you can tell, I have my uplights. Now, my uplights are supposed to be pink. They look more purple to me, but I still think this works. It kind of blends everything together. So there you have it. Again, everything on the table came from the Dollar Tree. And then the only thing that didn't come was the uplights in the back. But this look was so easy to create. Very budget friendly. You can use it for a baby shower, wedding, you know, whatever you like. So I hope you guys enjoyed this video. I hope you guys got some ideas, and stay tuned for the next video, and I will talk to you later. Take care.